on Movement Monday, we're going to be doing something a little bit challenging. We're going to have a go at the one-legged bridge. So what is that? Well, let's get started in our nice, comfortable, semi-supine position. Lovely place to start. Just check your spine's in a nice straight line from the crown of the head to the tailbone. Let your shoulders relax. Good. It's a nice, smooth, comfortable breaths. And we're going to use that movement we did last week of that little pelvic tilt. So as we exhale, press the lower back to the floor, and this time we press into the feet and see how it feels to lift the hips. Take a breath in and exhale, rolling down. Good. So you can do that movement as many times as you like as a warm-up, and then we're going to try this with one leg. So your options are, you can take your right ankle across your knee. And again, on the exhale, lower back to the floor, press into your heel, lifting up, breathe in. And exhale, rolling down. Good. The other option, if this is not so great for your hip or your knee, is to take the legs straight up. It could be bent, depends what's comfortable. But again, the strength is coming from the foot on the floor, that side of the body. And on your exhale, press the lower back down, into the heel, lifting up. Breathe in, exhale, rolling back down. And I would suggest starting with maybe 5 on each side and see how you go. So again, the two options, you can have an ankle across. We exhale, come up, take a breath in, exhale, roll down. The alternative, have the leg up, and exhale, come up, breathing in, exhaling, coming down. And if one leg is too much, keep practicing with the two legs together until you feel you've built up a bit of strength to have a go doing it with one leg. So have fun trying that. I'll see you next time.